Okay, let's clear something up. A lot of teachers are afraid of AI, not because of the facts, but because of assumptions. So today I want to walk through things that teachers think about AI that just are not true. No hype, no tech jargon, just my real classroom perspective. The first thing teachers think that isn't true. AI is cheating. It isn't. Cheating is submitting work you did not create. AI is just a tool, just like spell check, just like calculators, just like Google Docs. The problem is not the tool. The problem is not teaching students how to use it correctly. The second thing teachers think about AI that isn't true. AI will replace teachers. No, it will not. AI cannot build relationships, read a room, motivate a disengaged student, adjust on the fly. What AI replaces is busy work, and honestly, that is a really good thing. The third thing teachers think that isn't true. If I allow AI, students are going to stop thinking. Quite the opposite happens. When used correctly, AI can reduce fear of starting, help struggling students engage, support thinking instead of replacing it. Students think more when they are not frozen. The fourth thing that teachers think about AI that just isn't true. I need to understand AI before my students do. No, you do not. You just need clear rules, clear expectations, and clear boundaries. You already manage tools students know better than you, so this is no different. And the fifth thing that teachers think about AI that just isn't true. I have to ban AI to protect learning. Bans don't protect learning, they hide behavior. If AI is treated like a secret, students are going to start using it secretly. If it's treated like a tool, you can teach it responsibly. That's the difference. So here's the real truth. AI is not a shortcut, it's a support, and ignoring it does not make it go away. If AI starts to feel overwhelming, start small. One rule, one assignment, one conversation. That's how confidence will grow. If this helped you, please think about subscribing. I share real practical AI guidance for real classrooms. And if you want help getting started, I have resources in my links below. I'll see you guys in the next video.